JD 26 here to do tips and repairs and hobbies. And this is the Snow Joe 100 volt machine. And I'm not going to give you a walk around on it, but I'm going to show you a few things on it. Okay, so let's get up here and show you the controls. And this is for your chute to turn it left and right. You push this button right here and you pull the bar up to start it. This is your control for your speed of your auger, how fast it turns. And I believe this is for your light right here, okay? And it's pretty simple to operate, very quiet. And I can't wait to use it this winter because my wife has back problems and shoveling, and I don't want her shoveling. So let me show you the battery over here. So here's the battery, and this top button right here tests the battery, and it's got 4, which means it's fully charged. Also with this battery, you lift up the handle, if I can do that. This is a light right here, and it's got some USB ports. I don't know where they are, but they're on here somewhere. And you can turn this on, and you can also pull it there. I got turned around. There's USB ports right there for your phone if you run out of juice or you have a blackout. And this battery goes onto this machine right here, and this is the recharger. And it'll tell you when it's done. It takes about 2 hours for it to charge. And this is just a quick overview of this machine. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. And please rate and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Take care now.